Flyerify is an app that I use for price matching every week. First of all, you need to download it and sign up. If you don't want to sign up, you can always hit that skip button there at the bottom and continue on. Flyerify is a Canadian app, so it has flyers from across Canada. There are tons of flyers in here all across Canada that you can use for price matching. The thing that makes this one tricky is that you can't just search for the item that you're looking for. You can't just type in bananas and come up with any flyers that have bananas. You have to search for the store. So if you search for Walmart, it'll come up with Walmart's flyers. So this makes it more interesting in the fact that you have to look through each individual flyer. Now, a lot of these are on the Flipp app already, so I really only use Flyerify for about 4 stores that don't come up on the Flipp app. And because I already know which ones they are and that my Walmart price matches them, I have 4 of them that I go into every week. So the starting point for this one would really be to find what stores are in your area and where you're shopping and if they will price match them. That way you know that you can look here for those flyers. I already know that our Walmart price matches this food for less here because it's in the same province as us. So I will go into here, and if that's something that I think that I will buy, I'll take a screenshot of it and just save that for later. You do need to pay attention to, when you take the screenshot, the food for less needs to be showing. September 18th through September 24th needs to be showing, and all of the prices there. So if you tap on here, and then it goes away and you take a screenshot, they won't price match that because they can't see the store or the fact that it has a date on there. So you need to make sure that when you take the screenshot, it has to have that information on there. It also comes up with these ads every time you exit out of a flyer. So ideally, you're not looking at a lot of flyers. So then I just go through and look for the 4 flyers that I know that I can use to price match, and I go into each of them and look for if there's any good deals. If it doesn't have any good deals, I won't take any screenshots of it, just if it does. You can also use that little sidebar there with the alphabet. If you know which store you're looking for, you can click on the letter to take you down instead of scrolling through the entire thing. So then I just continue on looking for any good deals. These ones are kind of hard to see, so you do need to zoom in a lot on them. So you could take your screenshot while you're zoomed in because it will have the amount, the price, and then the date at the bottom. You don't need to get the whole flyer on there if you're not going to use the other things. You can hit it upcoming on the bottom there, and it will come up with all of the future flyers that are about to come out. You can hit on trending for any of the ones that are popular at that time, ones that have been viewed a lot. Then you can go into more for more settings. You can change it from Canada to the US. Missing stores. If you find a store that is not in there, you can file a report for it. Missing flyers if there's one that hasn't. You can follow them on Facebook or Instagram, Twitter. So to sum up, you find a store that you want to price match, you take a screenshot of it, and you use it to price match. The most difficult thing with this one is just going to be figuring out which stores you can use where you're shopping. That's it for this app. If I missed anything, let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, please subscribe and like my channel. Have a great day.